When you look at a simple wood branch lying on the forest floor or resting unnoticed in a backyard, it may appear to be nothing more than a discarded fragment of nature, yet within its form lies the raw poetry of the earth, a reminder of growth, resilience, and beauty. And in the hands of an inspired creator, that branch has the power to be reborn as abstract art, to transcend its humble beginnings and become a stylish treasure that not only decorates a living space, but transforms it into a dream home environment where nature and design merge seamlessly. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of wood branch art ideas from nature's beauty to stylish decor that sells. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The art of turning wood branches into decor is more than craft. It is storytelling, a way of honoring the natural shapes and curves that time has etched into the material, while infusing them with human imagination and craftsmanship, creating pieces that embody both authenticity and artistry. Each branch carries a uniqueness, a twist, a bend, a knot, a grain pattern unlike any other, and when that individuality is embraced rather than erased, the result is an abstract creation that feels alive, speaking to those who encounter it with a quiet eloquence that no manufactured decor can ever replicate. This is why wood branch abstract art has become more than a trend. It has become a movement, a celebration of nature reborn as stylish design, where the beauty of the outdoors finds a permanent home indoors, and where homeowners discover not just decoration but connection, not just furniture but living sculpture, not just objects, but treasures that remind them of nature's enduring presence in their lives. For the modern dream home, these creations carry a timeless allure, blending rustic authenticity with contemporary aesthetics, turning bare walls into galleries and empty corners into sanctuaries of design. A branch mounted as wall art, polished yet still bearing its organic shape, becomes a striking visual that pulls the eye and sparks conversation. A series of interwoven twigs carefully crafted into an abstract centerpiece becomes more than ornament. It becomes an emblem of creativity, a tangible reminder that style need not be synthetic to be sophisticated, that beauty born from simplicity can rival the most elaborate designs. But beyond personal enjoyment, beyond the quiet pride of living in a space enriched by natural art, lies another profound reality. These creations are also part of a thriving marketplace, where the demand for handmade, nature-inspired decor grows stronger every day. Today's homeowners seek authenticity. They yearn for decor that tells a story. They want to surround themselves with treasures that feel real, sustainable, and meaningful, and would branch abstract art answers that longing with elegance and originality, making it not just a joy to create, but also a powerful selling craft. To take a branch once deemed ordinary and transform it into something extraordinary is to add value not just in design, but in commerce, for buyers see in these pieces the promise of owning something truly unique, something that bridges artistry with lifestyle, something that allows them to express personality and taste while aligning with the global desire for sustainability and eco-conscious living. This is why branches, reborn as abstract treasures, carry not just aesthetic beauty but also entrepreneurial potential, because they represent a niche where creativity meets demand, where every crafted piece has the power to find not only a place in a home, but also a place in a marketplace hungry for originality. The beauty of nature-inspired decorative trends is that they are not fleeting, they are timeless, because humans have always and will always feel a connection to the natural world, and when that connection is preserved and elevated through craftsmanship, it resonates deeply, inspiring both emotional and financial investment. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. In every curved twig turned into sculpture, in every polished branch repurposed into wall art, in every fragment arranged into abstract decor, there is a sense of rebirth, a transformation that mirrors life itself, reminding us that even what is fallen or forgotten can rise again as beauty, as style, as treasure. For the maker, this process is a journey of discovery and inspiration, for no two branches are ever the same, and each one presents its own story, its own hidden form waiting to be revealed, ensuring that the act of crafting is never mechanical, but always an intimate dance between material and imagination. For the homeowner, the finished creation is more than decor. It is a symbol of harmony with nature, a conversation piece that embodies sustainability and artistry, a treasure that elevates the atmosphere of their dream home with grace and authenticity. And for the market, these pieces represent not just products but stories, not just commodities but connections, because buyers are not only acquiring decor, they are acquiring meaning, they are investing in creativity. They are supporting a vision of design that celebrates the earth rather than exploiting it. This is the profound magic of wood branch abstract art. It bridges worlds, the world of forests and the world of homes, the world of inspiration and the world of commerce, the world of artistry and the world of lifestyle, proving that even the simplest fragment of wood can, through human imagination, become a symbol of style, beauty, and opportunity. In this way, wood branch creations are never static objects. They are evolving trends that carry with them the spirit of renewal, the promise of sustainability, and the joy of living surrounded by nature's reborn treasures. The story of these crafts is ultimately the story of transformation, of how fallen or forgotten pieces of nature can become celebrated as stylish decor, of how creativity can reshape not only branches, but also the way people see their homes. And of how artistry, when blended with commerce, can open doors to opportunities that stretch far beyond the workshop. And as long as there are branches waiting to be discovered, as long as there are makers willing to see possibility in what others overlook, and as long as there are homeowners yearning for spaces that speak to their souls, the journey of wood branch abstract art will continue, inspiring, beautifying, and enriching homes while fueling a market that thrives on originality and authenticity. Each crafted branch thus becomes not just a piece of decor, but a piece of life reborn, a stylish treasure that tells us that beauty is everywhere if only we choose to see it, reminding us that dream homes are not made by trends alone, but by the timeless artistry of nature shaped by human hands into creations that speak louder than words. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood branch art ideas, from nature's beauty to stylish decor that sells. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.